Welcome back to Fort Lewis. We are back at the berm. I wanted to give you a quick update on its progress. We've had lots of rain, but the mulch is holding in place. The plants are filling out and taking up their space. Everything looks pretty good. Don't have a lot of blooms on the rock roses right now, but several things are blooming. Even the cannas started blooming after the mulch came in. It's looking pretty good. Today I'm going to interplant some tulips among some of these existing plants in the hopes that they'll pop up this spring. My great-grandmother always said if you put them 6 inches in the ground, they should do well. So I'm going to eyeball it. I've got about 4 to 6 inches of mulch. So I'm just going to dig it down a little bit, amend the soil, and see what happens. It's really wet. When you're planting tulips, you want to put the fat side down and the pointy end up. On top of the bulb, I'm going to add a couple of inches of soil and then put my mulch back on top of that. Okay, so hopefully we'll see that this spring. Fall is the perfect time of year to get all of those bulbs planted so that they'll be blooming in the spring. So if you want tulips in March and April, you need to get them in the ground now. We'll check back in a few months as the seasons develop so we can see how they do. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the bell below for notifications, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you again real soon.